Okay, next problem is on Lami's theorem is two circle method. So here you can see there are two circles or two cylinders are attached. So how to solve this problem? By using conditions of equilibrium and Lami's theorem, we'll see. So what is given? Two identical cylinders. Identical cylinders means diameter and itself weight. Also it is made up of the same material. So two identical cylinders whose diameters are 100 mm. So diameter is given 100 mm and weight 200 Newton. So weight of each cylinder is 200 Newton. So weight is always in downward direction. Weight is always in downward direction. Are placed as shown in figure. All contacts are smooth. These contacts are smooth contacts. Find out the reaction at point A, point B and point C. Point A, point B and point C. What we have to find out is, find out the reaction at point A, that is Ra. Find out the reaction at point B. Find out the reaction at point C. And what is given? Diameters of each cylinder is 100 mm. And its self weight is given as 200 Newton. So this is given. And we have to find out the reaction at point A, reaction at point B, reaction at point C. Okay, now if you see this particular figure, you will find this is cylinder. Let's say this is cylinder number 1. Let's say this is cylinder number 2. So two cylinders are connected. Now find out the contact points. Here we have one contact. Mark it as A. Here we have second point B. This one is C. Please note this cylinder number 2 is not in contact with this surface. So A, B, C and one more contact is here. Okay. Now here in this case, while solving the problem, we have to first draw the free body diagram of each cylinder. Now if you see, now check how to draw the FBD for each cylinder. You consider this is cylinder number 1 and you consider this is cylinder number 2. Okay, these are the center points. Okay. Now always the centers of both the cylinders we have to join by a line. So you can join this by a dotted line. Okay, so let's say this is cylinder number 1. FBD is very important. Let's check the FBD, cylinder number 1. So what are the given? The weights are given. So weight is always in downward direction. So this is 200 Newton. This weight is 200 Newton. Similarly here we have for second cylinder, weight is in downward direction. So that is 200, always in downward direction. Okay. Now how many contact points are cylinder number 1? Here, here and here. So if this is the vertical surface, always there will be a perpendicular reaction from point A. So always perpendicular to this surface means likewise. So there will be a reaction likewise. So there will be a reaction. So reaction will be like this. You can consider this reaction is RA towards the surface and perpendicular to the surface. So this will be RA. Now next point is RB. Okay. Now here the cylinder 1 is in contact at point B. Okay, but this angle is given as 10 degree. So this angle is 10 degree. If this is 10, this RB will be, that is perpendicular to each other. So this will be a 90. If this is 10, this is 90. So this angle will be 80. So you can consider the next reaction is towards the surface and angle made is 80 degree and this will be RB. The angle is 80 degree with respect to x-axis and this will be RB reaction. Okay, now similarly these two cylinders are in contact with each other, so at this point, so whenever we draw the FBD for one, cylinder number 2 will have reaction on cylinder 1 and cylinder 1 will have reaction on cylinder number 2. So please check the direction. So cylinder number 2 will have reaction like this and cylinder 1 will have reaction like this. So this will be, you can consider as R12, also this is R12. So equal and opposite reaction from each surface. Okay, so this is the FBD for cylinder number 1. Now go to cylinder number 2. So there is a self weight, there is a reaction from cylinder 1, right? So these are cancelled out, R12 equal and opposite forces cancelled out, but there is one more reaction at point C. So towards the surface, so this will be towards the surface, this will be towards the surface, this will be RC.